Hey guys, welcome. Thank you guys again for joining us here again tonight. We're just putting a couple more things into some packages, getting ready to ship for tomorrow. So that's the packing tape that you're hearing. Lots of good stuff is happening. So.
The Mad Packer strikes again. I'm a Tay.
Hey guys. So, I want to say thank you to Alan DeCosta, DB Nicholson, Hybrid Tetrahedron, JMC Ballon, Seraphinius, Slidell Boys, Midnight Manufacturing Company, and Tilda. So thank you very much again, guys, for joining me here tonight, Also, thank you to you beautiful lurkers who are watching us. Yeah, some good stuff that's going on. Oh, ECD Store, thank you for coming in. And, yeah, we got quite a few things to go over tonight. So, we're going to try and keep this as short and sweet as possible as well. So, not that matters.
The material go in there?
It's in there, yeah.
It fed?
Yeah, it's coming out just fine. It's feeding properly. So, first things first is what's going on behind me right now. Carl is setting up, well, he's just basically doing a quick diagnostic check on the System 23, which Ken Rosinski, if you're out there, this one's yours. So, it's looking pretty good. Just to let you guys know, we had a couple of things that we saw with the extruder heads, and we got a lot of feedback from a bunch of you guys out there on the issues and problems that you've been having with extruder heads. Not ours, but with other machines.
Not yet.
So, actually, I can take that back. There was one person who had who has been having quite a few questions and quite a bit of feedback on one of the prototype heads, which he now has in his particular possession. So, based upon that, we have taken all your feedback in, and
that's sales speak for we're having problems with one of our heads.
Well, you basically fixed it. I mean,
maybe.
Okay. So, anyway, guys, there you go.
That's the way it's supposed to be.
Nice.
You had it cocked.
Oh, I had it too much.
A little bit too much tension on it.
Guys, there's only so much that I can do.
Right. What are you going to print?
I don't know.
What? You have no idea what you're going to print?
I have no clue what we're going to be printing tonight. So,
whose printer is this?
This is Ken Rosinski's.
Ken, what do you want us to print?
He's not online, unfortunately.
He's not online?
No.
Too bad, he missed his chance. I was going to do the Eiffel Tower on your machine tonight.
Yeah. Oi. So,
what do we need for this machine? This machine's all done, right?
Yeah.
Yep. You got the pair?
The pair?
The pair of these guys is not printed.
Yeah. That's... I've got a whole bunch of them actually printed off.
Oh.
In the stock box, yeah.
No?
We just haven't put them in yet.
What do you
Because we were doing a fit check first.
You need some spray? Hairspray?
Yeah. So,
I'll get some spray.
Okay. So, hello guys, Slidell Boys. Thank you very much for joining us here tonight. For those people who are asking what's next, specifically when it comes to shipping, and we'll get into what happened with the second shipping test in just a moment. But I wanted to give you guys a quick little tour as to what's hiding behind here. I've got a couple of engines that are ready to go out the door. And there's one over there. So,
what are we looking at? This is Glam's.
Yep. Slidell Boys.
One is, I can see the name on it.
Brian Arendas.
Jim Powers.
And
Brian Arendas. And...
yeah.
Who is this one?
On Braids.
Oh, Ron.
Yes, Ron.
in Europe.
Yep. So...
and this is Ken Rosinski's.
Yep.
Les Wilhelms. And... oh! In case he thinks we're leaving him out, David Geipas is around the corner here.
Yep.
So, that's who's on deck right now.
Yep.
We wish it was more, but truthfully, we don't have room for more. So, that's the current queue.
Very, very true. There we go. That's a little better. Okay. So,
What do you want to print? Let's print something. Have you got something I can print that we could also come right back behind it and print something in rubber?
I guess we could. I'm trying to think of the shape. There's a bracket that was given to us at one point in time. You tell me after you take a look at the actual.
What about one of your holders or something?
One of my holders?
Yeah, I'm gonna give holder or a fan boogie or what? I don't know.
Okay.
The foot out of rubber would be interesting.
Yes. There you go. Let's see. So that was just a simple little bracket. No. Something a little more of interest than that.
Well, it's got to be short print.
Okay.
Les Music gave us that little connector thing if you want to print it just for test.
Okay.
Or on when I run the, well, I was going to say you could run the gear, but I don't know that that's going to come out all that wonderful. It will print, but it won't necessarily be a perfect example. What's a good print? I don't want to do the vase.
I know.
We have used the vase too many times.
Yeah.
Is anybody out there giving us suggestions?
No?
Okay. So, how about the transmission for a Volkswagen? See if there's like 8 printed parts on there. I could print another sensor bracket. I need a sensor bracket anyway.
Like the
For
one
an engine sensor bracket. Yeah. You got one in the design?
I'm going to have to slice it up. But yeah, I can slice it up.
Let's slice it.
Alright.
Alright guys, it's so we'll find out. This has got the latest software on it or not. If it does, it should slice a room.
Alright. It is 102560. I'm doing left on the other side. Left on that guy, so I'm doing right on the side. So, alright guys. Inside the 3D view, this was done in standard, which you can't really see it until I press the button. And then it's somewhat difficult to see. We'll rotate it. And make sure that it's okay. It looks good. Transition. Bullseye. Slice it up. And slicing. So there we go. Yes, Eagle 1J does work. And thank you for joining us. How about some calligraphy? We do have that file, but it's on tetrahedron. It is on your and only your printer. So, yes. Okay. So, a question was asked about the slicer. If we have upgraded everything to 1.0, and yes, on the engines I have upgraded everything to 1.0. We'll be upgrading all the systems into 1.0 as well. It works. It's pretty darn good. Alessandro Rossini did a fantastic job, so big thumbs up to you. And yeah, he's also made it a lot faster. So,
oh really?
Oh yeah.
Did you say 1.0 is faster than 0.0?
Oh yeah. If it takes roughly about a minute, now it only takes roughly about 20 seconds. Wow. So he's done a fantastic job. Yeah. All right. Let's slice up.
It's a bene informazione.
Forgive me, guys. I have to go grab a keyboard because there are some little tweaks that I'm going to do in order to get it nice and ready. So. Alright, so if you guys have a keyboard and mouse, USB is just fine, but one of the slots can be used with a PS2 keyboard or a PS2 mouse. So, I just happen to use a USB keyboard.
It's both colors.
Yep, so it can either work. So all I'm doing right now is just removing the weights because we don't necessarily need the weights, and the temperature is a little high. So just bumping it down just a little bit.
You just slice it.
Yeah. I haven't changed the slicer settings, on this guy.
You
So
want to get rid of the jerky mix too?
yes.
You have to go do that.
Okay. I'm not sure how to do that on that rock.
Here, I can do it. I can do it for you.
All right. Very nice. Eagle 1J, yeah, this one's to Ken up in Canada. So.
Ooh, hit a 3 for me, or a 4. Hit a 4. Yep.
4. Okay.
All right. Now let's set uniform speed.
You might have to go up to the G-code modifiers to.
I already did.
Oh, you did. Okay.
Yeah. Do you need a wrap?
No, I'm not putting the other guy on a raft.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Just checking. All right. In that case, it should be ready to go, pretty much. Let's see for 109. Did you block after 109? You got a flight tractor of 0.95?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Because Same Smart, I found when you start putting like this, it overflows just a little bit. So
Okay.
yeah.
That's good. Let's save it.
We're gonna need to yeah, okay. And this is 1, 0, and it'll pop up.
If you just do all files, does that 10 which one?
B1 healed. There you go.
Alright, and then you come back here and do this as G code, and I'll actually put it in there.
Okay.
And save.
Nice.
Sure.
No.
No?
No, it's because it's got the little STL right in.
Okay,
So-
well,
I got it. Okay, press dot G-code. Done.
alright.
Okay.
So let's go to home.
Yep. Make sure home's properly, which it should be pretty darn close. So, freezer action.
Wait a second here. Watch your hand. And that is a little bit high.
Okay. Keep going. Okay, very high. Okay, that's good. That's not too bad.
Yeah, okay.
Good.
Alright, then we should all take care of the rest of it once we start it.
Mm-hmm.
Ready to start it?
Yep.
For the finger.
There it goes. It's looking pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks better.
Nice. Alrighty.
I think your fudge factor is light though.
Oh, fletch factor's a little light?
I think it is. Well, you'll find out in a second.
Okay.
Ooh, it looks light to me.
That's cool.
I don't know. You can see after the first layer. And if it's not cool, you can go ahead and start another one.
Okay.
But,
Nice. Guys.
so what we're doing is that's nice. What we're going to do is we look at the how consistent the lines are going down. We look to see if they're joining to each other, if there's a little bit of a gap between them where they're supposed to be touching. We know that the flow is under calibrated.
Yep.
Again, it's a brand new head, different material. We've never printed with that material, so we're just examining it. After we've done the first print, we don't mess with anything. We just print it. So, but if the material's a little bit undersized, and this is a hob shaft where we're trying a new pitch on it. What we found was some of the finer pitch ones tended to clog up a little bit. I think John Richardson's experienced that this last week, and he's one of our guinea pigs, unfortunately for him. And Les Music has been able to print, and I think Midnight Manufacturing has been able to print, and Greg's been able to print. But I'm trying this coarser teeth to see if it will be more robust. So there you go.
Okay.
Anyway, just passing it on.
All right.
So let's take a look inside here, and we're not. Yeah, actually, you could see it with the camera, but
Yeah.
I want to see what it looks like.
There is a
It is close.
yeah.
If anything, 1.0 would have been the perfect setting instead of 0.95. What?
Okay.
I'm just saying, from where I'm sitting.
Okay.
Well, you can run it. Let's see what's going on. What, you got any questions there?
Yeah.
Bart?
Actually, everyone is waiting to hear about what happened with Les Music. You know.
Oh, hey.
Yeah.
You know what? I don't know. Is Les online? Can we tell lies, or will we get caught till next week?
I think we're gonna get caught because now I've gotten the recording to work just fine.
Oh man.
And in fact, I'm only just going to take this guy.
And our tickets for Mexico aren't for 2 more weeks.
Sorry.
So,
There we go.
So, the unit arrived at Les's last Tuesday. The box was properly UPS handled, meaning it had the butt beat out of it. But the packing material did its job. The unit got there in excellent shape. Turns out the 2x4s work as great handles to lift it out of the box, so they like that. And within 2 hours of starting to unpack, he was able to do a print. Hey, bud. How you
Chris.
doing?
So this is the broadcast, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
People all over the world are watching you now.
Well, anyway, so what's our total viewers now?
He's our marketing department. You guys get a load of that.
Well, it looks like we're up to 17 right now.
So,
At least 17 people.
yeah, 17 people watching.
Well,
It's a
thanks.
Monday night.
Well, thanks for all you guys watching.
There you go. Boy, he has got it down, doesn't he? I don't know where he gets this from. It ain't me. Probably his mom.
Yeah,
Anyway, so you going off to bed?
yeah, I just wanted to check in with the viewers of the 17 people.
All right. Let me bring up today what happened here. So that's our entertainment director right there.
Yep.
And our marketing director. We could do worse. So he got it unboxed and he was able to get his printout. So we're pleased with that. We have to apologize to Mr. Richardson. John received his unit and we had run off the Wi-Fi here. No one even dawned on us that someone will be using Ethernet. And then we didn't send him the Wi-Fi dongle because it wasn't part of the package then. Now it is, because we just realized it's not worth the $9.95 we're saving right now on not sending one compared to not having it there. So we're just putting in everything. But poor John had to reload the drivers. Of course, poor Hutch had to fight with the drivers for the last couple of weeks to get that worked out. Has nothing to do with us. It just the most bizarre of things. Somebody had made a newer release in the BIOS and a newer release in the drivers, claiming that they fixed something. Well, they did, but you know what? Fix one thing, break another syndrome. So we had to roll back the drivers to revision levels for the Ethernet, and now it works perfect.
Yep.
And a million thank yous to Mr. Steve White. He has always been there to help us with our IT problems. And in this case, he solved in just a short period of time what we could not in a long period of time. So we appreciate your help always, Steve. And someday I'm going to change your flat tire or wash your car for you. But until then, you know, it's all good. I think we did a favor for you once in your life. So there you go. All right, so now we're just super encouraged that we can ship the systems.
Yep.
And at the time that we put together the original shipment for Les Music, we were so bold, we actually ordered either 50 or 100 sets of corners, and they are supposed to be finished, I think it's tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's tomorrow. And so depending on that beautiful weather through the Northeast, and I understand there's a little snow dropping from the sky periodically, we should receive them Wednesday, Thursday. And so